Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 196. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing a 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 6, no help here, 2, 4, 6, no help here, 2, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 6, 9. 6 and 9 here, so 2, 3. 9 here, so 2, 3, 6. So that means the only place our 9 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 4, 7, 4, 7. And that 6 makes this our 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got the 1 and 6 here, so 2, 8. Same here, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. We've got the 4 here, so 2, 3, 6. 3 and 4 here, so 2, 6. 3 here, so 2, 4, 6. 3 and 4 here, so 2, 6. Now if we look, the only place the 3 can be in that column is here, and now the only place the 4 can be is here. With that 4, we can get rid of this 4, and now the only place the 4 can be in this column is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 6. No help here, 1, 2, 5, 6. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 2, 6. Now that means the only place the 5 can be in that row is here, and now the only place the 1 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've we've got 6 and 8 here, so this is 2, 3, 8 here, so 2, 3, 6, and no help here, 2, 3, 6, 8. That means the only place the 8 can be in that box is here. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. We'll do some cleanup. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2 and this 2. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 2, 3, 6. So now the only place the 3 can be in that row is here, and the only place the 9 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 6, 9, 2, 6, 2, 6, 2. And we can keep going over here. That 2 makes this our 6, 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 6, 2, 3. All right, for this box now, we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.